Welcome back to Studio Fundamentals. In this video, we're going to talk about how to add a brand new stem to a song that already exists. So I'm going to begin by pulling in a song from my timeline. This is something that I created on Suno, but you could also drag in something that you've created in another DAW, something that you've sung, you can record right onto the timeline. So there are tons of ways to start this process off. But the key is that you have to have some audio on the timeline before you can create a brand new stem. So let's go ahead and preview this track. So it's kind of like an indie thing with this female vocal. It's really lovely. So the first thing I'm going to do is stem split it by clicking these Insert All. And I'm going to go ahead and ensure that the main track is muted. So now we have all the parts split out. So the first thing I'm hearing is I really want to get some nice warm trumpet in here. So let's find the right spot for this.
15-minute drive from my place. I can see you on the motorway. Guitar in the backseat.
Cool, so you can see that after this chorus we go to a second verse, but I think I'd like to remove the second verse for now and replace this with a nice instrumental section instead. So I'm going to go ahead and make a selection right here because this is where I want our trumpet part to go. And you'll notice that when I make a selection on a blank region of the grid, we get this little menu that pops up. On the left it says Song, then Lyrics, and then Styles. So if I click on this drop-down menu, these are all the different options we have for creating a brand new instrument right onto the timeline. Song means we're going to put like a fully produced out region of a song onto the timeline. And then we have all these individual solo instruments, including vocals and backing vocals. So vocals and backing vocals are special because those ones, in addition to song, require lyric input. The rest don't require lyrics. So as I toggle over to brass here, you'll see that the lyrics box disappears and it prompts me to put in a style here. So I'm going to describe solo trumpet, and I'm going to specify sparse because I want it to chill out a little bit. So now I'm going to click the create button. Great, so we just got our part back, and I've gone ahead and adjusted the timing a little bit so it sounds a little bit better. I'm also going to go ahead and crop out this audio right here that overlaps with the end of that vocal. And maybe I'll even add a tiny little crossfade. Okay, let's take a listen to our part.
In the backseat.
Pretty nice. So let's think about what else we can add here. I think I can imagine some live sounding brushed drums. So let's see if we can go ahead and make that happen. I'm going to select the region again, and I'm going to switch this over to drums, and let's say soft brushes, I'll say live drums, and click create. So we've just gotten our track back. Let's take a listen. I'll start by soloing it. That sounds great. Let's unsolo it. Oh, and I can see that it's a little bit ahead of the beat. This is something that we're trying to work out on our side, but for now, I'll just go ahead and hold Command to nudge the track. And like always, we get two options. So let's take a listen to the other version.
It's hard.
So it's pretty similar. But definitely adds a lot. So that's the gist. You can just select any blank region on the timeline, describe the stem you want to add, and Suno will create one for you in the context of the rest of the song. And over time, it should get better and better. Can't wait to hear what you create with it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I or another team member will take a look. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.